Welcome to Auto Paradise. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Harley Davidson X440, a motorcycle that marks a significant collaboration between Harley Davidson and Hero MotoCorp. This partnership has resulted in a machine that blends classic Harley Davidson design with modern engineering, aiming to capture the hearts of both seasoned riders and newcomers alike. The X440 is powered by a 440cc single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled engine, delivering 27 brake horsepower at 6,000 rpm and a peak torque of 38 Nm at 4,000 rpm. This setup ensures ample low and mid-range torque, making it suitable for both city commuting and highway cruising. The 6-speed transmission is optimized to provide a smooth and responsive riding experience across various terrains. In terms of design, the X440 boasts a classic retro aesthetic with a distinctive, turtle, fuel tank, wide and flat handlebars, and a comfortable saddle-style seat. The bike's geometry is designed to offer a commanding view of the road, instilling confidence in the rider. The pillion seat is thoughtfully designed with ample legroom and optimized grab rails, ensuring best-in-class passenger comfort. The X440 is equipped with class-leading lighting and technology features. The front end features a 320mm disc brake, while the rear is equipped with a 240mm disc, providing reliable stopping power. The suspension system comprises KYB 43mm upside-down dual cartridge forks at the front and gas-filled twin shocks with 7-step preload adjustment at the rear, ensuring a balanced and comfortable ride. The motorcycle rides on MRF tires, with a front specification of 190/1856 HTL and a rear specification of 140/1766 HTL. The fuel tank capacity stands at 13.5 liters, allowing for extended journeys without frequent refueling stops. With a ground clearance of 170mm and a seat height of 805mm, the X440 is designed to accommodate a wide range of riders comfortably. The X440 is available in 3 variants: Denim, Vivid, and S. The base model, Denim, features single-tone paint and wire-spoke wheels. The mid-tier Vivid variant offers alloy wheels and a dual-tone finish. The top-tier S variant comes equipped with premium features such as diamond-cut alloy wheels, Bluetooth connectivity, and a TFT display, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. In terms of pricing, the X440 is positioned competitively in the market. The base Denim variant is priced at 239,500 rupees, the Vivid variant at 259,500 rupees, and the top-spec S variant at 279,500 rupees ex-showroom prices. This pricing strategy makes the X440 an attractive option for riders seeking a blend of heritage and modernity without breaking the bank. Early reviews from riders have been positive, highlighting the X440's comfortable ergonomics, responsive handling, and the signature exhaust note that Harley Davidson enthusiasts cherish. The bike's build quality and attention to detail have also been commended, reflecting the brand's commitment to delivering a premium riding experience. In conclusion, the 2025 Harley Davidson X440 represents a successful fusion of classic design and modern engineering. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on long-distance rides, the X440 promises a ride that's both exhilarating and comfortable. Its competitive pricing and range of features make it a compelling choice for riders looking to experience the legacy of Harley Davidson in a contemporary package. Thank you for joining us at Auto Paradise. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in the automotive world. Ride safe and see you next time.